Hello everyone, welcome to JK Speech and Hearing Center. Today in this video we will be seeing and unboxing a Oticon hearing aid. So Oticon hearing aids which are available in battery and rechargeable versions. We are doing a unboxing of rechargeable hearing aid. If you see here the rechargeable hearing aid which will come in a magnetic boxing, and also if you open this you can see the booklet first, which will be giving you all details about how to wear a hearing aid, how to change the program, how to control the volume, and also how to clean it, how to wear it, when to wear it. Everything will be detailedly explained by word to word and with clear images. You can understand about how to do this, how to use this open ears hearing aid. So if you see here, you have to just open this box. This is the Oticon open ears hearing aid. It will be in a packing. You have to just remove this seal and also take out this hearing aid. So when you see this hearing aid is a rechargeable hearing aid, this hearing aid will be coming with a different receiver. If you see here, so receiver and hearing aid will be coming in different patterns. So both we have to remove and attach to each of. So if you see here, you just have to attach this. So when you attach this, the hearing aid starts working, and also you will be given a proper ear fitting depending on their ear canal size. So this is about hearing aid. And also if you see here, you will be given a box. This box will be having a inbuilt the cleaning brush, which will also accommodate the brush inside, and there is another cleaning brush inside. This is for wax removal, and also this also can be used, and also this is having a magnetic system. So for cleaning of a hearing aid, when the wax arrives, just you have to remove the wax and clean it. There is a brush is given in the inside the box only, you can fit it. This is a beautiful box. You can see here it is along with a cotton cloth. Just have to wipe it out when there is a wax or sweat there. You just have to put this hearing aid in this box. If you put the box here, it will be daily night you have to do this. So when you remove this hearing aid, and also if you understand about this is a warranty card also is given. Warranty card also you can see 2 years warranty will be given, and your name and number and warranty status, serial number will be written there along with it. Other than that, Oticon also will be providing the dehumidifier. So this is a dehumidifier box. This is for the process of humidity control and also for more life. So this is a rechargeable hearing aid. Because this is rechargeable, and also right left indications will be given. If you see here, this is a charger, Oticon charger here. You just need to drop the hearing aid in the box. So first we have to see is the charger ready to charge. If you see here, you just machine starts charging. So machine is charging here. Just by trimming a hearing aid, machine starts working. You just have to wear the hearing aid. When in the night, you just have to drop it here. Automatically machine switch offs and charging starts. So we don't need to switch off the hearing aid by opening the battery door. We don't need to close the door to switch on the hearing aid. The next day we don't need to change the every weekly or monthly, we don't need to change any battery. So because it is a rechargeable hearing aid, this will allow you to minimum 16 hours of battery life for full day. Just you have to put it in a charger, and this 3.5 hour to 4 hour charge will come for full 1 day. So if you see here, this is a complete set. If you see, this is purely the hearing aid and the charger. These are the most important thing in this box. So in the next video we will be disclosing about another products, new technologies, and also further models. Thank you so much for patiently listening to us.